Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Running late this week. This should have been recorded on Friday, but I had such a busy week last week, I just couldn't do it. Better late than never, eh? I'm going to try and catch up this week with a few more videos, but it is savings challenges time. Last week I completed quite a few challenges and reallocated some money in another challenge that I'm trying to work on really hard to finish up. If you're interested, the video link will be in the description below for that video. I am gonna check and see what challenges I decided to add to my binders, so let's take a look. I've decided to do these two just to see how the money is going to stretch. They are small ones. This one is the dice challenge for £150, and this one I'm not quite sure, but there's all the fives, and I did white out the other fives because I want these to be tens, so I'm not quite sure how much that's going to add up to, but I will do that at the end of the video and see where I go from there. And I want to finish up, look, what have I got here? I just want to finish up the Luck of the Draw and the Sagittarius one, and I always do my roll the dice double the savings challenge. I love that one. That one is done with coins, and I've got quite a few coins saved up in my jar. Talking about jar, I'm just going to get that. Right, here's my jar. Put that there. Sorry about the glare. I really want to get some more dice challenges. I love dice challenges, so I'm gonna pop onto Etsy and see what else I can find this week, but in the meantime I might as well just start with these. Another thing is, a few of you have asked about my roses and complimented. Thank you so much for the compliments about my roses. They are fragrant petals for the bath, but because I'm allergic to lotions and potions in my bath, then I can't put them in. They smell so good, extremely good, so I decided to just leave them out in my craft room, and in here smells beautiful, really does. Lovely, really lovely. So I'll just leave that there. And I'm a big fan of aromatherapy oils and fragrance oils for the oil burners and candles. I'm a very big fan, so I do like scents very much. All right, let me begin. I leave this one because this one is the current one, so now this one is going to become the current as well. I'll put that one in here, and I better get an envelope for that as well. I'm just so unprepared because Friday I was supposed to do my my video, but I've been so busy, as I said, I just couldn't do it, so I'm unprepared. Anyway, for the rollover, I've got £5 rollover, and I have £15 in coins. That's 20, and I should have 120 here. Let's just have a count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. Should really get some change. Let's have a look, see what change I've got. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Sagittarius. If any of you can recommend any dice challenges, please leave the link in the comments below, please, because I really want some more dice challenges. I love them so much. I think I'm going to turn into the dice lady now. I'm going to put £10 in for my Sagittarius challenge, and I'm going to colour in some of the stars. So that's pink and purple. Let's do £10 for now. And purple. Each star is £5. Okay. On completion, this will be £350. Yep, £350 on completion. Okay, that's done. And let's get all set for the luck of the draw. I did empty it last week because I wanted to empty the envelope. It was getting really bulky and I just wanted to get rid of that, and I allocated it to another challenge. So it's like starting all over again because obviously the wallet is empty. Right, pen and the cards. Let's begin. Seven of diamonds. I've got one more diamond on here. One more diamond, and I'll put £10 in. Shall I use £10 and just mark that off. Lovely. That goes in there. Feels really strange with the wallet empty. Really strange. I hope you had a good weekend. Oh, what am I doing? I went to a wedding on the weekend and that was lovely. Saturday evening. But I hope yours was good and whatever you were doing. Right, let's start with the big one here, the roll the dice. And I'm going to use purple. And I've got some new dice. Yay! And I'm going to still collect some more. I think I'm going to use black. Let's use black. Right, let's just move that a little bit. A 5 and a 2, that's 7. Let's do the... So that's £7. Let's go again. That's 7, 10, 14 pounds. So that's 4 and 3. So that's 7, 10, 14. So I'll just put 15 in for my roll the dice. I just love roll the dice. See, I've got to put the... I've got to get the envelopes. I won't get them now. I'll just leave them for now. So that's okay there. We'll roll the dice. And then I'll use, roll the dice again. Let's do a blue to go with the outline of the card. That's 2, so that's £4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 2 again, so that's £4. So that's £8. I don't mark off any of this. It's just like a little coin savings for me, and I really like that. So that's done. Okay, put these in a jar. And now we have March, and this one is going to be finished today. The green, £15. Each leaf is £5. All done. And I'll have the April one all ready for the next time I do my savings challenges. I always leave the 2023 for last, and I'll just get on with this one, the 52 weeks. And I'm going to put £10 into the 52 weeks. I'll just colour in the 2. There we go. £10 in there. And then let's see what we've got for. We've got £60 for the 2023 challenge. Nearly finished. Let's have a look. I'm going to do 35, because that's 33, but I'm rounding it up to 35, and I'm going to do 20 equals 5, because I've got I'll just start this one off fresh. So that's 55. I'll just take that £5 out and put this 60 in. I've got to unstuff this. I really have to. I keep saying this every week, but I have to. Right, and I'm just going to colour them in.
Oh, wrong.
Take my rubber. Just rub that out. Okay, so that's 35 and 20 gone in. 55. So let's see how much boxes I've got left. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 more boxes. And I am going to add that up and see how much more have I got balanced. Let me have a look. Let me just have a look and see how much more I've got. 27, so I'll round it up to 30. I've got £205 left in here. That's great. And this little one, I'm going to, what am I going to do with this little one now? I'm not sure. I'm going to just colour it in anyway. And the start date is, today is the 28th. Great. And that will go there. I'm going to get the wallets for these. Yeah, I'm going to get some wallets out. I wasn't prepared for with the wallets today. So I've got the roll the dice money in here to put a wallet in, and then I've got this one. And I'm just going to leave them in here. What I've got in here now, yeah, I'll just leave them in here. And I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pounds rollover. Comes in handy. I didn't have any extra money for my groceries this week because I wanted to stock up on a few things. So now that I've got them, I might be able to save something in the coming weeks. Right, that is it. So if you've just joined me, thank you so much. Thank you for my existing subscribers and my returning ones as well. Really grateful for all your help and your support. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.